Hey, welcome to the channel. Here in the video, we will share the details for the Woozworld Error Code 3020. The error reads, "An error occurred while loading your data. Please try again." Before we proceed, we want to let you know that we used AI for the voiceover and some graphics. However, all the information shared has been manually researched and is not AI generated. As per our research, the error comes when users try to enter the world using the Woozworld mobile app on Android. According to our research, this error is related to server issues or maintenance periods, which prevent the game from loading user data. To deal with the error, the first thing we suggest is to restart your device along with your internet connection. After restarting both, check if there is any update available for Woozworld. If yes, then update the app and check if this resolves the error. If the error still comes, then it may be due to ongoing server maintenance. In that case, we suggest you wait for a few hours and then try again. At last, if the error still persists even after waiting, then we recommend contacting Woozworld support for further assistance. That's all for the video. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. Thank you.